We are in the Arkansas. Currently over there. New Year's Eve, 5,000 lifeless birds fell from the sky. 100,000 drumfish and suddenly died. A while back, the beach was a little with dead whales. And I'm thinking, what the? Oh, let's see what the expert has to say.
Excuse me, sir. We're gonna need to know what we're gonna have to tell the public.
You can tell them that the swamp gas was fire. Yeah, it was power, you know.
Okay.
Power, it's power.
Thank you, sir.
You are.
Okay.
Wow, I had no idea that fireworks can kill all them animals. Hey, did you hear what they said about the fireworks?
No.
It killed all them animals.
About the year before that.
Shush, she know what she's talking about. She got degrees and everything. I'm learning. I believe you.
Is anything else believe in Whitney Houston? The embodiment.
Yes, that's different. Just because I am every woman and I will always love you.
Man,
Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Well, I guess I won't be to use these then. I just got these. They're not real, I mean, just... Woo! I probably heard a worm or something. Look at them ants. They probably dead. Oh, I want to dance with somebody. I want to feel the heat with somebody. Oh.